Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer ETH from Uniswap to Binance in 2025. If you're looking to move your Ethereum from a decentralized exchange like Uniswap to a centralized one like Binance, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but as always with crypto, stay cautious to avoid any mishaps. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a compatible wallet like MetaMask, an active Uniswap account, and a verified Binance account. Why do this? Binance offers more trading options and easier fiat withdrawals, while Uniswap is great for decentralized swaps. Got that? Great. Step 1. Log into Uniswap using your wallet. Head to the Uniswap interface on their official website. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet or portfolio section. Here, you'll see your ETH balance. To transfer it out, you need to withdraw it to your personal wallet. Click on the withdraw option and enter the amount of ETH you want to move. Double-check the wallet address. It's crucial to get this right to prevent any losses. Step 2. After initiating the withdrawal from Uniswap, confirm the transaction in your wallet. You'll likely need to pay a small gas fee for the Ethereum network. Once that's done, your ETH should appear in your wallet shortly, depending on network congestion. Step 3. Now, switch over to Binance. Log into your Binance account and go to the deposit section. Select ETH as the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. This will give you a unique deposit address. Copy that carefully. Step 4. Back in your wallet, initiate a send transaction. Paste the Binance deposit address as the recipient, enter the amount of ETH, and review the fees. Hit send, and voila! Your ETH is on its way. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to reflect in your Binance account. A quick tip. Always use the latest versions of your wallet and exchanges, as things can change with updates in 2025. Also, keep an eye on gas fees, they can fluctuate. If you're new to this, test with a small amount first. There you have it, folks. You've successfully transferred ETH from Uniswap to Binance. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.